Salt Lake City prosecutors charged a man who used a new app to rent out his car here at the airport. But the company says it's a case of the laws not keeping up with technology.
We would like you to skip the rental counter, not wait in a line, not being upsold insurance. We bring transparency to that process.
Turo is an app and website that lets you rent someone's car.
We don't consider ourselves a rental car company. We don't own any cars. Turo literally is a platform. It's a car-sharing platform.
But recently, the Salt Lake County District Attorney leveled misdemeanor charges against a Lehigh man who dropped off a car at Salt Lake City International Airport via Turo. The man faced thousands in fines and a potential jail sentence, but struck a plea deal.
We have 30,000 Utahns already signed up on our marketplace, and we have hundreds and hundreds of people who list their cars and share them.
The airport considers Turo a rental car company, and it needs permits to operate.
The purpose of having these permits is to make sure that the traveling public is assured that when they're taking transportation from the airport, it's safe transportation.
Because we don't use the infrastructure, the shuttles, the restrooms, the real estate of the airports, we argue that this is a person-to-person basically handover, and that we shouldn't be, that the same fees should not be applied to us.
District Attorney Sim Gill says if there's a violation, there will be enforcement. Some see it as another case of an emerging tech platform getting ahead of the laws.
At the Utah Technology Council, we're very interested in working with cities, towns, counties, as well as at the state level to make sure that these companies are not only following the law, but that the law provides room for entrepreneurs to grow and to come up with new ideas.
Rideshare companies Uber and Lyft faced similar problems when they moved into town until a deal was struck with the city. Scooter companies Bird and Lime are working with the city on new ordinances allowing them to keep operating. The airport says it is willing to work with Turo to find an agreement.
We've been trying to work with Turo for a number of months to come to some sort of an agreement. We just haven't been able to reach an agreement yet.
We would love to actually work with regulators on creating the peer-to-peer car sharing regulation, but the traditional one just doesn't make sense.
The Salt Lake County District Attorney says that if any laws need to be changed, that's a conversation between the business and City Hall. At the Salt Lake International Airport, Ben Winslow, Fox 13 News, Utah.